Hey, I'm sure you have got immense value from my previous videos on internships. I hope you have watched all of them. If not, please go back and check all these videos as they are super powerful and they will help you in your internship journey. Because internships, we learn, are a fantastic opportunity to gain valuable experience and make connections in your desired field, plus get a taste of the real work environment so that you can be sure of which career you want to go for or whether that particular stream in which you're pursuing internship is actually suitable for you or not. However, internships can be challenging and will require you to put in a lot of effort to make the best out of them. So in this video, I'm going to discuss 5 tips that will help you to excel in your internship and set yourself up for success in your internship journey. Hi, I'm Akshay Jalan. I've worked as a senior project manager at IIT Bombay for a decade where I have mentored more than 200 plus interns and helped them to work on different projects at IIT as well as guided them in their life and career journey. Not only this, I realized with my surveys, trainings and experiences that the career selection system in our country is faulty and students are not only not aware about the right way of choosing a career, but also most of them are choosing random careers based on peer pressure, parental pressure, herd mentality, which is causing a havoc and jeopardy in their life and career. Also, they need to be trained and made aware about the growth mindset and the 21st century skill set that is required to be successful in the professional world and in the business world. So for this end, I founded Career Vision Hub, where I help students to scientifically and systematically explore, discover and grow in the career journey. To know more about this, I would invite you to visit my website jakshay.com or careervisionhub.com, and you can go and register for my next webinar where I'm going to explain to you about the science of career selection, which will include not only about how to crack the career code but also take it to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Register and I'll see you in the webinar. So now let's begin to understand the 5 tips that will help you to excel in the internship that you have got or are about to start. Okay. So first, let's see what's happening with Arjun. So Arjun, my friend, has secured an internship at a national brand and was assisting one of the leading designers in his city. So as we all know, Arjun is a student and his internship journey began. He felt a mixture of excitement and nervousness. He wanted to excel but was unsure how he could make the best of this internship experience. So first is be proactive. So to excel in your internship, you need to be proactive. Take the initiative to ask for additional responsibilities and projects. By doing so, you'll show your employer that you're eager to learn and contribute to the team. Being proactive also means taking the time to understand the company's goals and values and finding ways to align your work with them. Next comes be reliable. Trust is a very, very important factor in any kind of relationship, even if it is professional or in the workplace. Yes, being reliable is essential and it's no different in an internship also. So it's very important that you show up on time, meet deadlines, and be responsive to emails and calls. Even if you're getting late on some day, inform them well in advance or as soon as you know that you're going to be late or you're going to miss any particular deadline. So just keep them informed and keep the communication very smooth. That will help your employer understand that you're dependable and reliable. And your employer needs to trust that you're dependable and can handle tasks independently. By being reliable, you'll create a very positive impression and build a good reputation amongst your team members and the senior folks of the organization. Next is communicate effectively. Effective communication, as we've always discussed, is crucial in any workplace, even in a professional relationship, and is especially important in an internship. So keep your supervisor and colleagues updated on your progress and ask for feedback. It's very important that you listen to their suggestions, understand the requirement carefully of what they are giving you, and ask relevant or pertinent questions to clarify any doubts or uncertainty. So this way, by listening to them carefully, understanding the requirements, their suggestions, and clarifying your doubts, communicating effectively, you will be able to show to them that you are a team player and that you understand the importance of work even though you are just an intern. That will help them to think very highly of you if you follow this communication science consistently. Then comes networking. Networking is a vital part of any internship. You can attend company events, connect with your colleagues on LinkedIn, and ask for informational interviews with professionals in your desired field. So building relationships can lead to future job opportunities and references for even other internships or projects. By networking, you'll also gain valuable insights into the industry and learn about different career paths. If you have a connection with a supervisor, you can even request him for a recommendation of your work done in the internship once you're completed on LinkedIn. That could be also a very good way to showcase your work and enhance your profile on LinkedIn, which is viewed by several employers and considered as a very trustworthy platform. Last but not the least is learn from mistakes. So it's very natural that you're going to make mistakes when you join any internship as you are just learning, and it's perfectly fine. But what is more important is to learn from those mistakes and try not to do them again. So it's very important that whenever you make a mistake and maybe your boss or colleague asks you for that, take responsibility. It's not that you pass on the buck to someone else, try to make excuses. That will actually put you in a poor light. But if you take responsibility for the mistakes that you do and ask for feedback or suggestions on how to improve, that will actually not only help you to grow personally, even put you in good eyes amongst the company folk. So use your mistakes as an opportunity to grow and develop your skill. By learning from your mistakes, you'll become a better professional and demonstrate your adaptability to adapt to any situation and always having this mindset to improve yourself. So this will, definitely set you apart in the organization and help you excel in your internship. So to recap, we discussed these 5 points: to be proactive, to communicate effectively, to learn from mistakes, to be reliable, and very importantly, to network. So excelling in your internship, to conclude, requires all these various things. And remember to stay positive and take advantage of the opportunity to gain experience and make connections in your desired field. By following these tips, you'll set yourself up for success and increase your chances of landing a dream job in the future. So let's see what Arjun is feeling. So Arjun, after going through this video, he has gained valuable insights on how to approach his upcoming internship with a growth mindset, proactiveness, and a willingness to learn. He's all set to excel himself in this internship because he wants to put all these strategies into action. And his nervousness is transformed into a sense of purpose and commitment to make the most of this internship. So are you also ready to crack the internship that you have at hand or the one that is coming to you very soon, to make the best of it and excel in it? I'm sure you can do that because I believe in you. So if you found this video valuable and you feel that it can make a difference in your career by understanding how to crack the internship and excel in it, please like this video so that it can reach to others. Also share it with your colleagues, friends, other parents who could pass it on to the children so that they can understand that how valuable an internship could be. And if they do it properly, it could actually help them to gain a lot of value. And even internships are sometimes doorways to next very good opportunities, because if you network well, perform well, it could help you get other internships, other projects, and even a job. So if you want to learn more about this internship, I have a course called the Internship Vision Formula course. If you want to enroll for the course, you can check out the link in the description as well as visit my website for more details about this particular course. And if you like this video on my channel, please do subscribe so that the next video that comes on career guidance comes straight to you. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you all the best.